I get it. The idea of starting an online business is exciting, but it can also be daunting. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the thing, anyone can be an online entrepreneur. And with the power of the internet, it's easier than ever to get started. Hi. I'm Nadia. I'm a digital entrepreneur, a digital business coach, a full-time office worker, a wife, and a mom of 2 young kids. I was born in Morocco, but moved to Canada when I was 16 years old, with my family. I went to high school, and then university, and after graduation I started working a 9-to-5 job like most people. I worked in an office for a few years, until I realized that there was more to life than just working for someone else. I wanted to be my own boss someday, make my own hours, and make more money to retire early and travel the world with my family. I know what it's like to have a full-time job and try to start an online business on the side. And I also know how difficult it can be to take that leap of faith and go full-time with your online business. But I'm here to tell you that it is possible. I've done it, and I'm proof that anyone can be an online entrepreneur. The internet has opened up so many opportunities for entrepreneurs, and there are now more ways than ever to make money online. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. If you're looking for a trusted way to make money online, and you're ready to start your own online business, then keep watching till the end. I will share with you the best tip on how to start an online business. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Now, let's get started. The most trusted way to start a profitable online business is by finding a profitable niche. What do I mean by a profitable niche? A niche is simply a group of people with a shared interest or problem. And a profitable niche is a group of people who are willing to spend money to solve their problem. For example, people who are interested in losing weight are a niche. And people who are interested in buying products to help them lose weight are a profitable niche. If you can find a group of people with a shared interest or problem and you can offer them a solution that they're willing to pay for, then you've found a profitable niche. Now, how do you find a profitable niche? There are a few different ways. You can start by thinking about your hobbies or interests. What are you passionate about? What do you like to do in your spare time? For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you could start an online business in the fitness niche. Or, if you're interested in fashion, you could start an online business in the fashion niche. You can also look for problems that people are already trying to solve. For example, people might be trying to lose weight, but they're also looking for ways to save money on their groceries. If you can find a way to help people save money on their groceries, then you've found a problem that people are already trying to solve. Another way to find a profitable niche is to think about what you're good at. What are your skills and talents? What can you offer that others can't? For example, maybe you're good at writing or designing websites. You could start an online business, offering your services as a freelance writer or web designer. Or, maybe you have a unique perspective or experience that others don't have. You could start an online business sharing your knowledge with others. The possibilities are endless. Once you've found a profitable niche, the next step is to find products or services that you can offer to your potential customers. This is where you'll need to get a little creative. There are a lot of different products and services that you can offer, and it's up to you to decide what will work best for your business. Some ideas for products or services that you could offer include ebooks, courses, membership sites, webinars, consulting services, or physical products. The sky's the limit. Just make sure that whatever product or service you offer is something that your target market would be interested in and willing to pay for. Once you've decided on a product or service, the next step is to create a landing page. This is the page on your website where people will go to buy your product or service. Your landing page should be simple and to the point. It should give potential customers all the information they need to know about your product or service, and it should convince them to buy it. You don't need to include everything on your landing page. Just include the information that's most important, and make sure it's clear and easy to understand. If you want people to buy your product or service, you need to make it easy for them to do so. Once you have a landing page set up, the next step is to start driving traffic to it. There are a lot of different ways to do this, but some of the most popular methods include social media, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and guest blogging. There are a lot of different ways to drive traffic to your landing page, so it's important to experiment and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to just get started. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll start seeing results. If you're looking for more help on how to start an online business, be sure to check out my free webinar to learn how to get set up and running with your own online business. Our experienced coaches will walk you through the entire process, from choosing a niche to creating a landing page and driving traffic to it. I hope that this video was helpful for those of you who are thinking about starting an online business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will try my best to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to start and grow your own online business. Remember to click the link in the description below now to sign up for the free webinar. Space is limited, and you don't want to miss it. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.